Hi, my name is Lisa. You're watching One Lisa Show, and this is Penny. Penny, say hi. Penny, say hi. If you've been watching my show at any point, she interjects. She's very attentive. She's very loving. I talk about her all the time. She is my best friend. I've had her for a few years, and I got Penny from a shelter, local shelter. They got her from a shelter in Mississippi, I want to say. I've always wondered what Penny is. And my nieces and I have done a DNA test and we have sent in the results. So this is a very quick video. I would love to know what you think Miss Moneypenny is. I posted on my Facebook, I posted on my Instagram, but I realize not everybody follows me. And I thought it would be cute to see what other people think before we do our reveal. Penny is a few years old. Well, her age is kind of indeterminate, but I want to say we estimate her at 4 or 5 years old at this point. I got her 2 years ago. She's a great dog. We're going to post a video because the results are in. My nieces don't know what the results are yet. It has been a fun experience. We're going to do a whole video on it next week. So do me a favor. If you've been watching this, if you're aware of my dog, are you done with me? Are you done with me, or you know she wants more love? Let us know what you think Penny is, because I have always wondered. She has very curious traits. She loves to hunt. I can't take her outside without her trying to hunt for something. Right now it's chipmunks and mice. We've had cicadas, and she has been having a lot of fun catching cicadas and then releasing them out of her mouth. She even will chase squirrels and birds, geese, but she loves mice. She loves to chase chipmunks. And the other thing I wanted to say is she is a chicken. She shakes. She's always a very scared dog. She is very timid. I don't know how much of this is part of a breed trait or how much of it is how her life was, because she was a return at the shelter. She had been adopted out multiple times and returned. She also has to walk to go to the bathroom. She will not go to the bathroom in my yard, so I walk her multiple times a day. And that could be number 1 or number 2. And she loves to play with her squeaky toys. If you didn't already know that, she is ridiculously loving, and she is attached to my hip. She is always with me if I am home. She watches me work. She needs to be touching me, cuddling me. So I don't know if these are traits of breeds or not, but I wanted to give you a little background on my girl. And I will insert some pictures, and please let us know what you think Penny is, because we think this is a fun game and we want to share it with all of you and share the experience. All right, next week we will post our video, and hopefully we have some ideas of what other people think so we can talk about that too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.